Okay, so Doulos Hope. It's a ship that sells books, and we went there today. If you are not old, you pay 2 ringgit at entrance. If you're old, you walk in free. However, you need to book online.
Still need to book online
All need to
before
book
you go
online.
there.
Yeah. Books in Malaysian units, the unit conversion to Malaysian ringgit is 100 to 10.
100 to 10 ringgit.
Yes, 100 units equals to 10
Yeah,
ringgit.
you don't have
So yeah, I
specific
bought a
currency.
book. It's how to draw sharks, whales, and other sea creatures.
It's your second time there.
Third time.
Third time.
Yeah. So these
First
all,
was in Penang.
all different types of sea
Now
animals and
the
whatnot.
ship is in Kuching.
So yeah, is that?
10 ringgit for this book.
Yes, I need that for
Yay, why you need it?
my art class.
Yeah.
And then we got this one,
teach
Simple Home Remedies for Seniors, because we're not getting any younger. I read through it, quite interesting. I think I would try some of these. And my mom, she collects mugs, so she bought a Doulos mug in the box still. Let's see.
She is happy with this because she collects a lot of mugs.
So yes, Doulos Hope mug.
This is the latest ship.
Yeah.
So if you need more information, you can go to this website or go to their Instagram or Doulos Hope,
If
where you get a link to secure a ticket. They are here in Kuching until end of this
29th of
month.
August. 29th of August this month.
They don't release the tickets for the whole month. They go by a few days at a time. So, and by different timings of the day.
So plan your trip. If you're going to the Kuching Port Authority, it's not at the main gate, it's off to the side. So if you go to the Kuching Port Authority, you turn right, you go down a bit, and then you turn left.
I don't know about that.
Look for
Only
the-
Kuching people understand maybe.
Look for the big white ship.
Okay.